A very warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are here with some special, tremendous and instant giving result. This spell will work for all lovers. It is not for any male, it is not for any female. You can use this spell for both of males and females. The male, that should be your boyfriend, lover, ex, whoever it is, and on women you can use anyone that you want. This spell is very fast and immediately giving result. To do this spell, nothing much ingredient required. For this spell you have to take some things that you can find out your home very easily. In fact, you can find all the things in your kitchen, and this spell is very powerful. Before start this spell, we are going to tell you that you should give your full attention to this video. You have to see this video with the full of concentration, because if you skip any step, that it will not work for you. But if you see this video with the full of concentration, it will help you out 100% to get your love back, or a person that you like, he will be in your life. For this spell you have to take some things with you, that is black marker, bit of plain paper, bit of salt, you can see 5 cloves, a glass and a water. These things you required for this spell. Nothing expect of this you need for this spell. First of all, you have to take 5 cloves. 1 2 3 4 5. The clove should be like this. It should be proper, like all these cloves. It should not be broken. After that, you have to put 5 cloves into the water like this. After that, you have to say some word. The words are like Vedu, lamp, dash should be in your lover name. Like for example, her name is John and you are John, and her name is Linda. So you have to say like this word: Vedu, lamp, Linda, Kira. You have to say these words 51 times, and you have to do this spell on Tuesday before 7 AM. And if you want to do this spell at any day, you have to do this spell after 9 PM. If you want to do this spell on Tuesday, you have to do this spell on Tuesday before 7 AM. If you want to do this spell any another day, you have to do this spell after 9 PM. When you say these words for 51 times, after that you have to put this salt into this glass of water like this. And 11 times after that you have to do this. First of all, you have to do, before putting the salt in this glass, you have to say this word for 51 times. After you put the salt in this glass, and you have to say these words for 51 time. After you have to do it for 11 time. Vedu lamp Linda Kira. You have to say these words around 11 time. After that you will see that the salt will be melt in the water. The salt will be mixed up with the water, and like it will mix with the water, and your lover will mix with you. After that you have to fold this paper and after that you have to put this paper into the glass. After that you have to put this paper properly into the glass of water, and you have to keep this for 2 days. After 2 days you will see the magical result that your lover will be contact you instant. Thanks for watching our video. Thank you.